going over to a party and I had tear me up. So about that point, we're adding more stuff. What the what is what you shall hear.
Yo, Big Daddy.
Here is Cecile. My brother says it's Annabelle. He's a DJ. So remember, DJ Real. That's his name.
That's so sad. This man has made his own auxiliary cord out of this.
He got taught by a person who was on the radio. So when you do watch this video,